light me up with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa and welcome to Vanessa's Vanity. Today I'm going to be focusing on eyes, and I'm actually going to be recreating this eye makeup look for you guys. I'm also going to be introducing to you guys some brand new lashes that I just recently got. So if you guys have had any questions on how to put on lashes and also how to recreate this makeup look, continue watching. So before we get started in this video, I want to introduce to you guys this brand new lash company. They're called City Lashes and they're based in Ireland. Their lashes are cruelty-free and vegan lashes. I have 5 pairs that I will be demonstrating on how I put on. Before we get started, I also always like to make sure when I'm putting on my eyelashes that I have tweezers, eyelash glue, eyeliner, and scissors. So before we get to putting on the eyelashes, let's start with the eyeshadow. So starting off, I'm going to go in with this color from the Morphe 350, and it's a little bit of an orangey color, so it is this one right here. And I'm actually going to start off with that in my crease, just to give it a little bit of a mid-tone. And I'm going to brush that through. And then out. Because this actually helps to complement my eye shape. So next I'm going to go in with this jumbo eye pencil from NYX, and this is in Rust, and I'm going to use this along my lash line. And it's a bit of a cranberry frosted color. And then next I'm going to use a flat brush from Glam 22. This is the G22, and I've already used it. I'm actually going to use the opposite side, which is the more cleaner side, just to slightly buff that out. And I'm actually going to brush it upward. I'm going to go in with this MAC Studio, and it's called All of Flush, and here you go. I'm going to actually use this on my eyelid just to bring out the color I'm going to put on top. Just a little bit. It is really creamy, so you don't want to put too much. But this is just to really enhance the color I'm going to lay on next. Next I'm going to go in with this palette. It's called the 35U. And I'm going to go in with this color next with the same brush. I'm going to start off with the outside. Just going to pat it. And I'm not going to fill in the space in the middle. I'm just going to leave that pretty open for now. I'm going to use the M507 brush, and I'm just going to buff it out into the crease color. So it's going to look like this. And I'm just going to make sure to check my other eye, so that way it pulls out just as much as it does on the other. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I have to tilt my head back just so I can get into the crease. That really helps versus like going lower. And then I'm going to go on the inside and do the same thing. So next I'm going to go back with my G29, and I'm just going to buff out the crease color very lightly to make sure the colors mesh together. I'm going to go in with my finger, and I'm actually going to go in with this color right here. Just going to grab it and then grab some, and I'm actually going to put in the center where I did not apply any color. This lighter pearl color on there, and put that in the center as well, just very lightly, so that way it highlights the center. If for some reason you put too much, you can always go back with your brush and then just cover up those parts. So I'm going to go in with the crease color under my lash line. And that color was this one right here. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is the G31 from Glam 22. And I'm going to go really close into my lash line. So next I'm going to go in again with the NYX Rust pencil. And I'm going to put this color inside my waterline. It's okay if it gets a little outside of it, which I like. And I'm going to go back with the G31 brush, and I'm going to grab this color now, and I'm going to put it closer to the lash line where I've basically right underneath where I've applied the pencil. And I'm just going to smudge the pencil that's slightly been pushed outside the waterline. If you hear my dogs eating. Next I'm going to go in with the G24 flat brush, and I'm going to grab that crease color again. I'm going to lightly buff it back and forth. So I'm pretty much done with the eyeshadow. Next I'm going to go in with the lashes, and the first pair of lashes I'm going to put on are the most natural pair, and the reason why I'm going to go with the most natural pair is because I want to build up the look. So I'm going to start off with the natural ones and then show you guys how drastic the lashes can basically change up the look of your makeup. So these ones are the DUBLIN, and I'm going to put these on first. Just going to measure them for now, just to make sure that they're the right fit. I think when you have like smaller to medium eyes, this is like a really important step to do. But when you have like a medium to large eye, you don't really have to cut the lashes as much. Not much of glue. Once you see that the glue is drying up a little bit, that's the best time to put them on. I like to personally start off on the inside. Press and press with the tweezers. So you just want to use tweezers to kind of like push them in closer to your lashes. Take a look at where you started to place your eyelashes down on this eye, and use this eye as the guide to put these ones on. So looks like they started right there. I like to push that in and here. And you can even pop them up a bit, so that way instead of them facing down, they'll actually go up. So next I'm going to go in with some mascara, and I'm going to use my favorite Colosso. I'm actually going to curve the brush slightly, so that way I can really work with the tip, blend my lashes with the falsies. And you don't have to put a lot of mascara. I just like to put a little bit, so that way when it dries, I'm actually going to use my tweezers to pinch them together so that way they blend. I'm going to do the bottom. Do this side. I'm just going to flip the mascara on. You can really use the tip of the brush to just melt the lashes together, your falsies and your own. I know some people like to use an eyelash curler, but personally I don't like to use the eyelash curler. And I think it's because my lashes are so thin and so tiny. So next I'm going to use my tweezers, and I'm actually gonna pinch my lashes together with the falsies. This side. So I really love the DUBLIN lash. I feel like they're great lashes for like a bride on her wedding day. They're great lashes if you want just a light fill. So with these, I'm actually going to start off in the center to push them in, and then I'm going to do the outside really close to the lash line, and then the inside. They're really pretty. And again, I'm just going to push them in the center, and I'm just going to lay it on the inside, and then I'm going to lay it on the outside. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Colosso mascara. And I'm mostly going to bring it up in the center and then less on the outside. Same thing on this side. And I'm not going to lie, I'm not really used to this style lash on my eyes personally. I usually like really big, thick, wispy lashes. That's usually my personal favorite. But I think that these lashes go really well with this look because it's like a little bit more color on the outside, inside of the lid, and then highlighted in the center. And because they go longer in the center, it just definitely goes with the attention that it brings with the style of eyeshadow that I have on. And then for these ones, if you want them to open up more, just lightly tug them on the inside of each eye, like in the center. So these right here are the New York lashes. So next I'm going to go in with these that are called BRATISLAVA. So I'm going to put on a little bit of eyeliner along the lash line, only because the lashes are getting a little bit thicker, and this helps to hide the rim of the lash. I don't want it to overpower the look. About right. So what I'm going to do is just going to lay them on top and then just kind of see where they pretty much are. And I think they're good. I don't have to cut them. They are getting closer to the size lashes I really like to wear. I start and then in the middle, and then push down on the end. Okay. Yeah, these are definitely the kind that I usually wear. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara. And I'm just going to press my eyelashes together. Gives that little lift. So I applied eyeliner because I personally like to wear eyeliner, especially when I wear bigger lashes. So if you don't like to wear eyeliner, it's totally up to you to apply it or not apply it. But me personally, with these next lashes that I'm going to go in with, these are called London. I have one more pair of lashes after this one. So yeah, these are way longer. They're so pretty. Yeah, these are my favorite right here. So I'm going in with these. Okay, so I'm going to go in with just a little bit of mascara, just a tiny bit. And I'm also going to go with the mascara on the outer corners. And these are the boldest, the thickest ones out of the 5. Put these on. Oh yeah, these are really, really pretty. So next I'm going to go in with some mascara. Just a tiny bit. Connect them with my tweezers. Yeah, so these are the lashes in Dubai. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much wraps up my tutorial. Again, these lashes are from City Lashes. I hope you guys love them. I personally love the Dubai and love the London ones, only because I have pretty big eyes. I feel like the lashes that I wear all the time are very similar to Bratislava. These are the third pair that I wore. I love them. I want to say thank you to City Lashes for sending me these lashes to try. Again, you guys, if you guys go on the website, you'll be able to use my discount code, which is CITY, and get 15% off your purchase. They're really beautiful. I feel like they have lashes that'll cater to all clients. So their lashes are cruelty-free and vegan lashes, and their website, so that way you guys can get that discount, is citylashes.ie/products/Dubai. So that pretty much wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which lashes you would wear. Also, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.